What's up guys, Mantas here, and today I wanna share a couple of useful tips how to build your email list from Facebook groups. So the first thing, if you're building a Facebook group, I like it to do it private. It's a closed group, and here's why. If you go to the group settings, just click on more and edit group settings. You can ask questions of members, new members who wants to join. So then I'm asking just a couple of questions, couple simple questions. As you can see here, this is a closed group and its name is Blogging Hub. So I'm asking, what is your blog address if you have one? So the new member should provide a blog address if he's got one, or maybe if he haven't, he wants just to create one. Maybe he wants to ask some questions about that, how to create. So the next question is, what country do you live in? So this is very important, building my audience, because I like it to be top tier, only top tier from top tier countries. So that's gonna be United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom. And the third question I'm asking is, give me your best email address and I will send you whatever you want. So you can send them to a video, you can send them a guide, a report. So in this case, if you're sending them something straight away, you're adding them to your email list, you're providing value and showing yourself as an authority. Alright, so that's it about questions. The next thing is making a good description. So I have my description written and I'm saying them, so I'm gonna approve them as a member just if they answer the questions. At the very bottom I'm leaving the link, and you can do it as well. Leave the link wherever you want to drive traffic to. This description will be visible to anyone who will visit your group join page. The other thing you can do, you can post your content, not any content, but the content with a landing page or link to your freebie, so you get more and more opt-ins. But however, if you haven't got closed group, you made it public, so when new member joins your group, there's gonna be a tab here where you can welcome new members. So you can welcome these members, and at the very bottom you can write, go and see my video, download my PDF report, or drive traffic wherever you want. So for resume, you can ask questions, you can write description and leave your link in there, you can post a link to a landing page, and you can welcome these members. Don't forget. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you find this information useful, and I'll talk to you soon.